Welcome back to Adventures with Noodles, and today we're going to be doing McDonald's. So what you'll need is a McDonald's Happy Meal, some tape, black construction paper, scissors, and some McDonald's toys, little McDonald's toys. First thing you would need to do is you need to use your scissors, and then you need to cut this side out that has the little McDonald's on it, and then the lettering. Okay, so next thing you do is you take your tape and you take some off, and then you put it on the back of the paper that you just put out, and then you tape it to the back, and that's what it should look like right now. And the next thing you do is you cut out a piece from the construction paper that fits on the bottom of the floor. And then once you do that, you take your tape again, and then you take a piece of tape off, and then you put it inside the Happy Meal. And next thing you do is you cut the window out on the side. You tape it to the inside on the opposite side. The next thing you do is you can start putting things in. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to put the booth in, and then you're going to put in your drink dispenser on the side, and then you're going to put this in on the outside. So next, you're going to do your checkouts, where you get your food, and then you could have your delivery truck come in. And then once you go around, you could get, if you got a Happy Meal, you could get your Happy Meal out of the window. Thank you for watching my McDonald's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Remember to like and subscribe.